Adding a property. Adding a property only needs to be done once, and it is a straightforward process. To begin, head to the Properties tab on the homepage of Genie. Here, alongside search functions, export features, and a list of all the properties previously added, you can also add a new property. To do this, click Add Property. This will take you to the New Property screen, where you can add in all relevant information, such as the property address, the rental amount, rent period, as well as security deposit, commission rate, and management type. There are 3 types of management to choose from, and it is important that you select the right one for each property. You can select either fully managed, rent collect, or let only. You can also add supplementary information on this tab, such as number of bedrooms, the property type, and furnishing status. However, this is not essential for progressing to the next page. You will see here a completed example of how the new property fields should look. If yours looks like this, or with more information filled in, then it is good to go and click Save and Add Landlord. From here, you can either select an existing landlord or set up a new one. If you wish to set a landlord up, then please see our How to Set Up a Landlord video. For existing landlords, select this tab and you'll be taken to the existing landlord list. On this list, you can search for them via the Find function. After the landlord has been selected, you will see the property record, which shows all is complete.